Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Griffin, and this is probably like the 30th time I'm trying to make this video, so hopefully this will work. So should be at your Google Classroom, okay? Your Google Classroom may not be exactly this Google Classroom, but even if it isn't, you have the same assignment on each of your own Google Classrooms. So, what you're going to do, you're going to see that I have posted an assignment for you. It is called Family Worksheets 11, 13, 2020. So it says, please go to the URLs and then paste your generated work URL in the slide. Look at the video that I will be posting to help you with the steps. Have a great weekend. So this is actually the video that I'm talking about. So you're going to see an assignment that says Untitled Presentation. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on that, and it should bring you to our Google Slides. Now you have two worksheets that you need to complete. Okay, family worksheet number 1, we have the URL right in here, and family worksheet number 2 right underneath, which also has a URL. So let's focus on the very first worksheet together, and I'm going to walk you through on how to complete it and send it to your teacher. So you're going to click on this URL, and it should bring you to a page that looks very much like this. So there are directions here on how you can complete the work. So first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to click on the page and fill it. So, like I said, you have page 1 of 2 and page 2 of 2. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it. Now you're going to see that in order to do the work, you're going to have to zoom in just a little bit. So we have this magnifying glass right here that says zoom in. We're going to click on it once, click on it twice. Eventually it'll zoom in. It's getting there. Come on. I know you want to zoom in. Come on. There we go. So, what I want you to do is look at the family member chart. So, study this family tree and write the correct words. So, this week we have gone over family member terms and we've gone over many different family trees. Okay? So, I want you to look at the family tree and I want you to answer the questions. So the family member terms that you need to use are all in this box right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to read through and you're going to look at our family tree and answer the questions, okay? So a heart means that they are married, and the lines mean, these arrows right here, that is their children, okay? So the first one I will do with you. Susan is Maggie's. So let's look at our family tree. So we see Susan, who's married to Peter, and it's asking, Susan is Maggie's what? So, if Susan and Peter are married, then the arrows would mean that Maggie and Tim are their children. So, Susan is Maggie's mother. So once you put in your answer, make sure that you click on the text button or the T button, click on the sentence, and then once you put in your answer, there will be a check mark or an X. Make sure that you check the check mark. Okay, once you have that all set, go through and answer all of the questions. Okay, once everything is filled, make sure you then click the X button. It'll close it out. I'm just waiting for it to close out. There we go. So now it says to generate a link. So in order to generate a link, you'll need to put in your name. So I will put in Griffin. So once you do that, you will generate the link for the filled document. Try this instead. So it'll generate a link for you, and then what you're going to do is you're going to copy the link, and then once you copy the link, you can go into your slide, which is loading right now. And then in this box, as soon as this loads, then you will enter your URL here, and it will save. And then that way your teachers will be able to see the work, and we will be able to correct it and give you credit. So remember to try your best, generate the link, copy the link, and then post it right back in here in our Google Classroom. Okay? I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I hope this video helps you out, and I'm sure that you guys will do awesome. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.